Tata Group, the salt to software conglomerate, is looking at the other India, the Bharat, the rural market. After making heavy acquisitions, big ticket acquisitions and mergers, now Cyrus Mystery led Tata Group is looking towards the rural side, the potential and sustainable market of India, the other India. And I'm joined by Shali Sheth, who will take us to the strategy of Cyrus Mystery's Tata Group, how they are encashing the existing focus and exposure of some select companies of Tata Group and making a large network to access the potential rural market of India. Shali, welcome to the show. What are you picking up? Like, is it have they formalized a strategy, or how are they going it about?
Well, the entire strategy is at a very primitive stage. They call it routes to market strategy internally. And as part of it, as you're aware, they'll be looking at sharing the network or the supply chain. The Tata officials that we spoke to have been very tight-lipped about it. They are not willing to spill the beans just as yet. We also know for a fact that this is not the first time that the company is making an attempt to sort of enhance its presence in rural India. Interestingly, there are a lot of Tata Group companies like Tata Chemicals, which has the chemicals and salt and water purifier, Tata Motors, and a lot of other companies. They have been taking their own independent initiatives as far as the rural market is concerned. However, Mistry wants all the consumer-facing companies to come together. What it will do is help these companies optimize cost of reaching out to the rural customers. That's the basic idea. We do not have too many details at this point in time, but we are given to understand that Tata Strategic Management Group, the in-house consulting arm for the group, is helping the group firms formulate a strategy there, and they're likely to roll out a pilot in the next 2 to 3 months.
Shally, one more thing, there are, as you rightly said, there are a lot of consumer-facing companies, and they've already created a kind of sourcing, branding, marketing, etc. in inroads. So it is the easy job for Tatas. But what are the experts telling?
Well, experts are saying it's a great strategy, but this will definitely make sense because it's not only about reaching out to the rural customers, but what is critical is at what cost are you doing it? If the cost it's very high, then it doesn't make sense. And for a company like Tata, which has as many as 56 companies under its fold, and a lot of them have a very strong consumer connect, it makes sense to sort of use each other's strength. And as a matter of fact, they also want to learn it from the best practices that we have seen in industry. There are companies like HUL and there are companies like